Ford Fiesta Mark 7 wind mirror replacement. So basically it's a very simple job. So basically I've already removed it, but just to recap, so there's a cover behind the door. You have to take that out. There's a little screw, you can see that 13 millimeter. You have to unscrew that, remove that nut, then you're ready to push out. You can see that it's already out. Now you have to take the door card out, then you'll see little connection here. So you have to take that, yeah. Yeah. Trying to bring that from that way. So you're almost there. You're almost there. So that's the way to take. You just need a bit of pull and push, then you cable out and you are there. It's pretty simple job. To refit, do the same thing reverse way and you are there. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.